A bleak and chill the wintry wind. Written in 1945 during World War II, this carol reminds us of the warmth and comfort of the love found in the Christ child. May we seek the peace found in the Nativity. May those who suffer know the love and warmth of Christ. Hear a song depicting some of the themes of Luke chapter 1, verses 78 to 79. By the tender mercy of our God, the dawn from on high will break upon us to give us light. Those who sit in darkness and in the shadow of death, to guide our feet into the way of peace.